Hello and good morning, dears. I hope you all are doing good. Today is 28th April and we have many important topic in the Hindu newspaper. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The first we will discuss the Hindu vocabulary, and these are the words which we are going to discuss in the Hindu editorial. The first word we have vigilant, and the synonyms are alert, attentive, keen, observant, and open eyed. The next we have yield, and the synonyms are concede, give, output, return, and succumb. The next we have critic, and the synonyms are account, analysis, appraisal, and review. The last we have detract, and the synonyms are depreciate, diminish, lessen, lower, minimize, and reduce. So note it down for the future, and let's check previous quiz answer. The first question we had, which state doesn't share boundary with Gujarat, and that is Punjab. The next question we have, the total number of members in SARC organization, and that is 8. The next we had the synonyms of whirlwind, and that is deadly. The last we had antonym of stimulus, and the answer is discourage. Now begins with the headlines. PM Modi interact with all the CMs of states and UTs via video conference, and he said this lockdown has given a positive result and the country has managed save thousands of lives in the past 1.5 month. But some CMs are suggested that the lockdown will be extended. Maharashtra CM Mr. Uddhav Thackeray has cleared there is no possibility of lockdown relaxation before May 3rd. Maharashtra at the top position in India, or you may say Maharashtra is the USA of India. Over 4,000 cases are confirmed in this state. So talking about Maharashtra, the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, and the CM is Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. The governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. So let's check Maharashtra in the map. So as you can see Maharashtra in the map. So Maharashtra share its border, or you may say boundary, with Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Goa. India imported Chinese test kit to check COVID-19 in India, but this kit shows false result, so that ICMR has said there is no payment made for Chinese test kit supplies. As we know, the life of Chinese product is about 5 to 10 days, except this virus. The actual cost of this kit was 245 but sold at 600 rupees. In the recent time, the all news reporters and medias are worried where is Korean leader Mr. Kim Jong Un, because first time Mr. Kim is not available in Sun festivals, which is most important holiday in North Korea. Last time Mr. Kim was seen in the state media on April 11. He had attended a meeting in Pyongyang. So talking about North Korea, the capital of North Korea is Pyongyang and the leader is Kim Jong Un. Let's check North Korea in the map. Now you can see North Korea in the map. Let's zoom out to see it clearly. Now you can see North Korea in the map clearly. North Korea share its boundary with China, South Korea and some parts with Russia. There is a most important question that there is a channel which divides North Korea and South Korea, that is 38th parallel. The Indian economy at crucial situation due to COVID-19. So RBI has announced a special window of 50,000 crore for mutual funds. Talking about RBI, it was founded on 1st April in 1935 in Kolkata. Now the headquarters is in Mumbai. Let's check one liner, the important day, and the day is World Immunization Week, is celebrated from 24th April to 13th April. The next we have person in news. Present chairperson of CBSE is Anita Karwal. The new secretary in Ministry of Shipping, that is Sanjeev Ranjan. The next we have general knowledge, and the first we have the CBSE was founded on 3rd November 1962 and the headquarters is in New Delhi. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that means NASA, was founded on 29th July 1958 and the headquarters is Washington DC in USA. The next we have Niti Aayog, that means National Institute for Transforming India, was founded on 1st January 2015 and the headquarters is in New Delhi. It's quiz time. The first question is, which country doesn't share boundary with North Korea? The second is, CBSE was founded on. Next we have synonyms of vigilant, and the fourth one, antonym of detract. The next we have the fifth question, you have to write the answer of present chairman of CBSE. And next we have Niti Aayog was founded in. The seventh question is the leader and capital of North Korea, and the last we have headquarters of RBI. So here you can see option are not given, so that you can keep the answer in your mind for long time. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.